Hi, so this is Bella, and I'm riding her today. She's so cute. Hopefully her trot got really bumpy. Last time I rode her, it was really bumpy.
That was better. Huh? Stay tall, hands up. Doing a good job on that, right? You gotta stay taller with your hands up, not leaning onto your shoulders. She started to slow down, and what'd you do? Squeeze your leg on. Man, she kept going. Back here, she started to slow down. Did we put our leg on? Not really, and what did she do? Slowed down, and then what'd you do? Fell forward, right? Put your leg on, and she'll stay there, okay? Let's get it again. That was a try. That I liked. Fall with your upper body. Leg there. Little crop. Down through your heels. You're pushing with that toe. Just think about Penny, how when you have those toes up, it's a lot easier to steer, right? A lot easier to keep your seat. If you keep going from here to here to here to here, you're throwing yourself off and throwing Bella off, right? That leg under you, heel down, eyes are up, hands are up, first. Drop. Good. Get up. Sit back. Big, tall stomach. Heels down.